Just push the button and
top left button, and you click it and then put a stick input to tell it what to do.
whoa, whoa.
So it was a stick input and crash, was it?
It seemed to be. We got
Dom and Nick here down at the flying field, and another small flight test. This is the TrainStar Stunt from Volantex RC. So another one of these RC airplanes, everything in the box less the 4 AA's that you need to put in the transmitter. Has a stunt feature, 6-axis gyro as well. It's made from foam, so it should be very resilient, and I think this is the type of thing that somebody who's on a budget and wants to fly something for the first time, because it's a high winger, so it should be fairly stable.
Yeah, and I assume it's got like a built-in stabilisation at the same time.
Yeah, 6-axis gyro.
Nice.
It says durable material and big wheels as well, so might even fly off our grass here. Anyway, we're going to unbox it, show you what's in there. Okay.
Lack of grass.
Oh, burnt.
Burnt to a
It's
crisp
very
grass.
burnt to a crisp grass during our summer.
Well, they are fair size though.
They are fair size. Look,
Would be.
that's the first thing you notice.
Yeah.
That's pretty not typical, because I think a lot of these things, they don't have an immense amount of power and they won't be able to lift something big and chunky like that.
It's the weight on. Oh, they're super light.
And that is the only thing really that you need to fit to this other than the propeller. And it's a decent size.
Yeah.
You feel that it's actually got a bit of weight to it.
Is the propeller magnetic prop?
No, it's one of these push it on type things, so that it comes off quite easily. So let me get one of these out of the packet. And you get 2, because there is always the chance you might break it. But hey, if you like, hold on, they might have missed that. So you just pushed it in the bottom, yeah?
Yep.
Friction
Literally
fit.
just pushed straight into there, and then it's like a small plastic clip, and you can feel it just clicks in.
I was going to do my whole assembly section, and you've robbed me
Well, there you go.
of my glory.
I'll let you do the prop.
Right, okay. So prop, you line it up, and it's got claws on it, and it just clicks on like that. This seems a lot denser foam and more
It's actually
substantial.
got like a nice sort of weight to the centre section, hasn't it? Which, you know, today we're quite lucky, it's quite calm, but there is a bump.
Hold on,
in the breeze.
third part of assembly is the tail wheel.
I'll let you do this now.
No, you do the tail wheel.
It looks like it's a steerable tail wheel.
Oh, tail dragger. I'm doubting that. No, it's just that. And then the other thing you get is a spare adapter to put on the motor shaft should you break that. So you've got plenty of spares in there.
It is steerable.
Is it really? Oh wow! Now there's a thing. Wow, it's going to be really manoeuvrable on the ground then. 2 batteries. These are 2-cell 400 milliamp hour 25C batteries, and you get the USB charge lead. Then underneath, and this is my normal trick, is that I would pull it out of the box and the transmitter would just fall out and possibly break. But oh yes, so the standard kind of Volantex RC transmitter with the sticks, the trims, your expert, mid and beginner mode on that, and then you've got the aerobatics button. So beginner mode, if you don't know, is very limited on bank angle. It can actually get away from you quite quickly. You're flying around, you haven't got a lot of bank, so it would take a long time to come back. And then you've got mid, which gives you about 45 degrees, and then expert, which takes off stabilisation altogether. And on a lot of these models I've flown, the Mini Warbirds, it's not even flyable, so but we will give that a go. Aerobatics button, click that, it beeps, and then you have to put in a stick input to tell it what you want it to do, loop or roll. Okay, so we'll put 4 AA's in this, we'll put the flight battery in that, and we'll take it out to the flight line.
So I'm flying it.
You'll fly it.
Right.
Absolutely, I'm on camera. So
I'm assuming we're transmitter on first.
yes.
Right, so we've had a beep from that. And then we've already put our battery in.
And there's only one position it can go in, is that right?
The battery, yeah, it literally drops straight in a slot.
Oh, okay, that's good, because then you don't have to worry about the balance, which is always important on planes.
Yep, slide out. And it's like a JST on the battery.
Again, which is good because you can use hobby chargers as well to charge them up probably even quicker. A lot of these things only come with a kind of a balance lead, and you can only use the USB charge lead. But
and you do get a balance lead on there, so
yes,
you can actually properly charge it. It's not.
So you could charge these at 2C, 0.8 amps, and have each one charged in about 20 minutes, half an hour.
And we can check that our gyro is working, because if we pop the wing up, that aileron's coming up, which would push our wing back down, and that would push our wing back up.
Yeah.
So it's
Brilliant.
going the right way. Again, we can go up, get down, we get up. Should be good.
Alrighty, so let's do
Yeah.
takeoff and some.
So we're complete beginner mode.
I would go in mid mode.
You think mid?
I'll be honest, yeah. We know what
Okay.
beginner mode does. Let's see if we can taxi out, because those big wheels I think could help.
And our steerable tail wheel. There we go. We've got our nice steerable tail wheel. We'll try a complete circuit. The wind's just got up, you never know. There we go.
Well, there you go. You don't normally get that from a micro like these.
Should be able to go the other way as well.
Perfect ground control on quite rough grass.
We'll go out from here, I think. That looks the smoothest point.
Wind is in our faces today.
So we don't have much wind, so if we're all good, we'll take off. Not got much bank. No bank.
Well, I guarantee you'd have less on
the
on
other
beginner
one.
mode.
Try not to get it too far up. Bring it back over. Trundles along, that's about half throttle. That's squeeze. Down a bit.
So that's half throttle and it's decent speed, isn't it?
Half throttle, yeah. Full throttle.
And on your next pass, does it let you do a loop?
It wouldn't on this mode, I don't think, because I'm on bank limited angles.
Oh, so it's going to do the
Full
same on.
four on the stick, and we'll find out. A little bit more height, just in case. Nope.
No. Okay, so you can't roll, you can't loop.
No, that's full left aileron inlet now. And then we'll go full right.
Good for a beginner.
It does not like that bit, as you can see it's now on its own.
You can use rudder as well to kick it around tighter.
We might be doing a bit of crosswind off the top of the hill.
You want to try the aerobatic feature?
Just push the button and
Top left button, and you click it and then put a stick input to tell it what to do.
whoa.
So it was a stick input and crash, was it?
It seemed to be. We got a couple of beeps. I pulled back. It looked like it was going to do a perfect loop, didn't it? And then at the top it
Not
changed
the
its
exit out
mind.
bit. If anything, we're going to see what the durability of this thing is. Where's it gone?
Yes, that was fairly steep. So
Let's retrieve. I can see the landing gears on the ground.
retrieve and find out. Hopefully it's popped off, and we'll be able to put it back together. Let's have a look.
All right, so Nick actually totally stuffed it into the ground. Broken propeller, which I'm not surprised by because it did really hit the ground hard. But we do have a spare in the box, so we'll click that on. That looks like that's okay. And then the landing gear came out. So this just pushes.
You'll get your go now to be able to put the landing gear in.
Does it go in?
So the wheels rake forwards.
Yeah. Into that slot there. All right. So no harm done. I'll have a go. See if we can get to the bottom of this. Here we go. Get a bit of height. Well, that was the roll. That was pretty good. That was the loop.
It looked very similar to my loop.
Loop with a spin. Oh, you need a bit of height to do that, I think. We'll try that once more. I wouldn't do that low. All right, a bit of slow flight. That's a bit close, isn't it? Get a little bit high. I'm going to try the expert mode, which is the switch all the way to the back. Which is that. So no stabilisation.
Oh, it does a better loop.
That was a better loop than it did. Yeah, a lot more throw now. Woo! Still quite sensitive on the sticks. Oh, loops are lovely though. Get used to it as you fly it more and more like that. But actually a lot of these mini warbirds, not that this is a warbird, they're almost unflyable in expert mode. But this is pretty good. Oh!
Nearly. Better than my landing.
The landing gear's coming out again. Did I not put it in properly? You have to push it, there you go, you have to click it, really click it in. Good job. So there you go, Train Star Stunt. What do we think of that? I think Nick proved that it was very, very durable. You absolutely bounced that straight in. I'm quite amazed that only the prop was broken, but normally you could bend the prop shaft or the adapter. Hadn't done that, so that was really good. But my flying of it, I say really stable. You can fly it around half throttle. The expert mode is really good. The rolls are really good on the aerobatic button, but I would get a bit of height if you want to do the loops, because it takes quite a lot of height to recover. But otherwise, you know, it's quite a sturdy little thing. You know, if you're on a budget and you were going to fly on quite low wind days, then I'd say this could be for you. Anyway, there you go. Thanks, Nick. I'm always going to bring out Nick to do the durability side of the testing. Guaranteed to give it a good test.
You can flip it over and show the bottom. It's literally immaculate.
Literally. So, and that properly bounced off the deck. Pretty impressive. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. We'll do a turbine jet next time.